And here's a new addition to the collection. This one's my brother's little Copar Panzer. It's either a t55 or t60. And God, it was mostly in pieces, just like a frame and a couple of random pieces on it. And now, just to drive around, he bought a pulley and put that engine, little 3 horsepower Briggs on that I had, so just so he can only go forward. And he put those rims on. He has all the other stuff for it. So go ahead, start it up and drive it around, Ray.
You left the wheel horse in the way.
You got feet for a reason. Back it up.
Give me a minute.
He has now found the reasons of using an incorrect pulley. He has no reverse. Now he does. Turn it around, retard.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm trying to hold that in.
Right here.
Oh. Yeah, just stop the video.
Keep rolling. Oh, he also needs to replace the front tires. That one has a big balloon in it.
It's more than a balloon, it's completely broke.
If you haven't noticed, he just, like normal, he does stuff half-assed, so he zip-tied stuff together. Now drive it again.
I need to get more zip ties.
Great. You heard that. Just drive it. Or put it together right.
I need to get bolts to put it together right.
I'm sure you can find them laying around here.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, we're having issues. Stop here for now. So once again, him being a half-assed person, decided to zip tie the brake pedal up because there's no brake on this right side. And of course the zip ties failed, so what you just saw the rear end lift up there was in fact the brake lever digging into the ground. Did you learn a lesson, Ray?
Yes.
Do it the right way the first time.
Or use stuff that's made in America, not China.
No, just do it right the first time.